Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. We're going on a walk. I want to show you guys a volcano that is in our neighborhood. Of course, it's dormant. I think the last time it erupted was around 10,000 years ago. And this is the first English vlog. Miguel is working today, so he's not going to join us today, but we want to do bilingual, trilingual. Miguel speaks two languages, Spanish and Guarani, and he also speaks English. We want to incorporate all of that into our channel to make it interesting, to connect with people, because that's the most important thing. So walk up with me Mt Wellington, or Maungarei in the Te Reo Maori language, and we'll continue the video up at the summit. So we made it up to, not the summit, but it's like an area where you can kind of sit down. There's chairs and tables, and the summit is actually more up back there. But this is a really nice view. As you can see there, the entirety of Auckland. Over there you have another volcano, Rangitoto. Auckland is built on volcanoes. Over there, there's another one. I think it's Mount Eden. But yeah, there's plenty of volcanoes, all dormant, of course, until they decide to erupt. Hopefully not soon. So we're gonna go up the summit now. I think in all it takes like 15 minutes from the base to the top. And yeah, just remembering how when I used to live here, I used to live in the same neighborhood back in 23 and 24. And I would always come up here. I felt like it was a nice place to relax and wind down, enjoy the views. And of course, also, like, the sunset as well is very, very nice. It's nearby, and you have beautiful views. So we're at the top. This is the summit of Mt Wellington, 444 feet from sea level. You can see all of Auckland. It's always a pleasure to come up and enjoy the views. Something I like doing. I think it's super relaxing. And this is not the first volcano we're gonna go up in Auckland or New Zealand. So hit the subscribe button to follow us, join us. And again, thank you for watching and for subscribing. I wanted to do some grounding at this spot because I feel like it has a super good energy. And to add that it's a volcano is such a cool concept and a blessing to have this place so close to home, to be able to come and relax, enjoy how quiet it is, and be present. I think that's something that I think I have to practice more, and being more present, not worrying about the future or the past, just focusing on my present reality today. So I think this is where we're going to end the video today. I thought it was going to be up at the summit. I think this is a better idea. Again, I'm just kind of going with the flow, not too structured of a plan, because we want to show our life as it is, nothing too cinematic, just organic material that I think resonates with people. So yeah, guys, thank you again for watching. Hope you follow us, subscribe, support us in our journey to show our life and how we get to enjoy living in such a beautiful place. This is Mt Wellington, Maungarei in Auckland, New Zealand, Aotearoa.